Look at this. I'm rolling with Team Chili Dippa. Greg, that's totally going to be in the video.
Nice. T-flip. Those guys against us guys. Us guys.
Ah, okay. So it's going to be Frankie and Greg scramble against me and Miles. We got this, Miles. We got this. We scrambled early this morning.
You know what? I don't
It's
have
going to be
a
a 2-hole
golf club,
scramble.
so why don't you go first?
All right, we're doing a quick 2-hole scramble. Me and Miles versus Frankie and Greg on hole 17 and 18 at Chimney Golf Club.
I lost. My man. Got us one in play?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be the fairway.
That's the best thing.
Little fade. All right. Hey, oh, Miles.
Choose from there.
Miles.
Nice. We got options. Options is what you want in a scramble.
You want to do wager?
Don't ask Miles, he'll bet big money.
$5 a person, so 10 bucks. All right. 10 bucks.
On the wood, what happened?
10 on the wood. Oh, that's where it was last time. I like that spot. I like it. That's exactly where it was last time. What's going on here? Yes, this is all Chili Dippa golf. 4 players hit 4 good tee shots. It's very rare on this channel.
What are we on?
Chili Dippa golf.
110.
Y'all got 110?
Yeah. So, odd distance for me.
Taking the square strike here?
Not yet, not yet. You can be a little closer for that.
A little chunky,
Chunky monkey, chunky monkey. So nobody drove the par fours in your group?
No. I came close. I was in between the bunkers on that second.
I came really close one time
I
too.
hit the tree too, and I still managed to get it that far. Yeah.
Yeah, I got real close to one of them.
There it is. Oh, Frankie's hit a pretty good one in there, it looks like.
Oh,
it
my
is.
partner's
Oh,
got it.
wow. Yeah, that's a great shot, Frankie.
Roll towards the pin, baby.
Nice.
There we go.
Good shot, Frankie.
Thank you.
Nice.
Why am I congratulating you?
No,
You're not my partner. What am I doing? All right, Miles bombed a drive up here. I'm gonna guess about 70 yards maybe left.
68.
God, that would have bugged me.
Oh, I hit that
ball so
from
close.
10. Sit, in, fight. Good ball.
Sit, spin.
Okay, you're on there.
Uh-oh.
Get right.
All right. Oh.
Whoa, way too much. We're gonna have a long downhill putt. Greg and Frankie are sitting pretty right there.
Nice, Mark.
Alright, the read was right. Just gotta get it there. Oh, that's not gonna do it.
There it is.
Boom!
Oh man, nice bird. Nice bird, fellas. All right, we gotta do something serious the next hole. We only got one hole to do something. Sun has finally came out. It was freezing cold earlier. Well, I mean, it still is kind of cold, but without the sun out, it was definitely colder, and the wind's blowing pretty strong. Guys, make sure you check out, we're gonna have some other videos. I'm with Miles Martin Golf, Greg Cortman Golf, Bogey Brothers, and Dyson Golf. I'll put all their links down in the description below for you guys. If y'all like this video, please smash the like button. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. All right, you guys have honors.
White sticks.
I think that's what driving range.
That's what I'm doing.
3 wood. I've never seen that. For why?
Just because it was saying play me.
Okay. Talk to you. You gotta listen. I guess. Talk to you. You gotta listen.
Can you talk back to it?
Yeah, but only after the shot.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah.
Thank you, baby. I was going 3 wood because I was going to play it safe, but I can't say that because if I say that, I screw it up.
Back it. Didn't sound good, but it's gone.
It'll be all right.
That's a sky ball. That's the second sky ball I hit.
I'm not seeing it. I didn't see Mark's. I didn't see yours.
All right, Greg's ball. I'm assuming they're playing Greg's. It's right there. Frankie's over in the driving range. My ball was way over there, so. What else is down there? What you got for yardage?
114 to center.
Greg's at 114.
Flag's in the back.
Flag is moving too. Look at it.
Yeah. No, another one. I need you, buddy. 116 to center. That's with slope, weather, wind, humidity, elevation,
Yep.
everything. What happened? Your right foot moved.
I thought that
bunker.
was on.
In the bunker. All right. Doors open a little bit here. This is a tough shot too because we have to carry that bunker.
Oh, I hit it thin. That's gone. That's
Maybe
not
not.
bad.
Maybe not. Oh, crappy bounce though.
Where you at? Right here? Yeah.
I'm gonna try to
I thought for sure that was gonna hit and run a country mile.
Uh-oh, that's looking good.
Go.
Oh!
Is it in the bunker or over?
No, it's over.
Oh, there it is. It's rolled back. Nice. Nice. We needed that one.
Way to go, Mark.
We're about to have a bumper competition.
I know, right?
You think, partner?
All right. Uh-oh. Greg's already asking questions over there.
Play this one.
Y'all playing that one?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Y'all want the bunker shot?
See the lip on that bunker?
I didn't see it live.
It's got a face on it. Looks like Mount Rushmore.
I mean, I would be alright with that. Oh, the wind's picked up even more.
Oh, I know. It's asking a lot.
It is.
Open that club face up.
Yeah,
A lot of
literally,
spin
they're
on
gonna have
it.
to land it on top of that hill right there.
Yeah.
Even that, it could just keep going.
You're gonna have to go for the high flopper.
Yep, he did one earlier. He
The
did
old
Floppadopolis.
Floppadopolis.
He did. Look at that flag. Oh no! Oh no!
this wind is just like cutting through my jacket. Like it's just.
Look at that. Look at the flag. It's cold.
Another round. And we've been here since fucking 10 o'clock. We teed off at 10.
There goes Greg.
What is it, 3?
Oh wow, this actually.
Sit. That's pretty good from
yeah,
there.
that's really good from there.
Look at this.
That was a good putt. It's fast.
Where were you aimed at?
Oh, I stuffed it. That's quite the holes I've done that.
If we tie, we win.
Show us the line as well.
The 3 putt is in play.
Okay.
No, that's it.
So we gotta make this in time?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was bogey time.
Because we're a putt for par.
You gotta
Par,
make
y'all
that
made a bogey? Okay.
Yep.
You gotta make that to top.
So we gotta make this the top. Alright.
Oh, I pushed it. I just pushed it. I just pushed it. Yeah.
Uh-oh, Mark.
I mean, a hair push. Just be precise. Just be like
Miles
inside.
doesn't miss from this distance.
Oh my god.
I just ram it in the back so the wind didn't get it. And
Yeah, 3 putt was in play.
yeah. I didn't know it was going to be our 3 putt was in play.
Good match.
Good match. Congratulations, guys.
Yes!
I think the battery's dead in this ball. I think that's what happened.
All right, that's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys check out Greg Cortman Golf and Miles Martin Golf. Links are going to be below in the description.